Hi everyone, I am participating in a challenge. This one is called Turning Trash into Treasure. It is hosted by Casey and April, so check out the links to both of their channels in my description below, as well as the link to this entire playlist. I'm going to be making some really high-end boxes to place these greens inside of and bring inside of the house. I love it when you bring fresh greens in for the season. They smell so nice, and yeah, they're free. They're coming right out of my backyard. If you like this idea and you want to share other ideas like this, you like singing projects, think about subscribing. Two pieces of trash here. One is a leftover candy box, and the other is just a container from orange juice, and I'm going to be repurposing these and making these into some beautiful bark-sided planters, which will be perfect for greenery for the upcoming holidays. I have two types of bark. I'm soaking these just in water right now. This is just so beautiful. This is either from a birch or an aspen. This is actually from the beautiful Adirondack area in upstate New York, and the other is bark from a crepe myrtle tree. So they both have really great texture and color, and I'm just going to let them soak so that they soften up here so I can manipulate them and attach them to the sides of my pieces. I'm drying the bark between two just grocery bags here just to get some moisture out of it and to flatten it a little bit. And then I'm gonna take just a little bit, I'm not gonna cut it, I'm just gonna rip it so that I get that like natural edge to it. And then I'm gonna put it on the side of my piece here, and then just use a bunch of Mod Podge and glue it to the sides. So I'm just tying a little bit of jute twine as I go here to hold it in place. Perfect. So here they are finished up. Now I added a third one of these little yogurt pieces, one of these little yogurt jars, another item that was going to go in the recycle bin, because I think just this little group of 3 items looks so pretty. I have this planned for this end table in my living room. And so I'm filling it. I filled this with, this is the fun part for me because I love the DIY flowers. That's me. So I filled it with the greenery that I showed you at the beginning, and then I just popped in a few of these little wooden berries that I had from another project. But that is it. This was fun. So thanks to our host, and thanks to anybody else who was participating. And thank you so much for watching. There he goes. Thank you so much for watching Jenny's Home, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.